Stopping my shine. They try to break me, try to take me out, but I got Jesus on my side. So bad I thought of dying, but ain't no power stronger than the one who came and laid down his life. And I got mountains to climb, but the enemy can't stop me, 'cause there's a calling on my life. So when I'm crying, don't last too long, 'cause he gon' step in and make it alright. Won't he do it? Said he would. Fight your battles for you, they gon' wonder how you sleep at night. Only do it.
Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel, Growing in Love. So today I have some exciting news. So you guys saw last week that Andrew had received a shipment from Shakeology, or not Shakeology, the company Beachbody. And so I, along with Andrew, were Beachbody coaches. And so I've been doing it approximately 3 going on 4 years. So now that I've just had my third pregnancy and baby boy is now 8 months, I'm getting back on my fitness regimen. So that being said, I'm excited to share with you guys that I've ordered 2 things. I think it's 2 things. To be honest, I can't remember. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this unboxing video with you guys. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. So I'm excited. So my first box, I believe, should be my Shakeology. And so for those of you that don't know much about Beachbody, Shakeology is their healthiest meal for the day. So it's a protein shake and it's unlike any other protein shake, and I'll tell you why. So this is my order here. So it has 22 dense nutrition that helps your body. It's going to help your body in so many ways. So whether you're struggling with energy, low energy levels, whether you're struggling with bad eating habits, it's really going to help to flush all those toxins out of your body and just pretty much help you to feel better. So it has a wide assortment of healthy ingredients that are all natural, which is the best part, because a lot of protein shakes, I don't know about you guys, but when I started my health journey, I used to order my protein shakes or purchase them from GNC. And nothing against GNC. However, I find they had a lot of chemicals that I could not explain or I could not even pronounce. So what I really like about Beachbody is that, again, it's all natural. This particular one is from their vegan line. So again, if you are, going healthy, you've decided that you want to clean up your diet, perhaps you've decided that you want to go one step further and get rid of all meat byproducts, then they do have a vegan option. So that's definitely a win. So going back to the healthy ingredients, I don't know if you guys can see on the back there, but I'm pretty much going to read out what Shakeology is going to be good for. So as I mentioned, it helps to support and maintain good health, which is a win. It provides antioxidants that help to protect the body from harmful free radicals, another win. It's a great source of protein, and as you guys know, this helps to build both muscles, and when you're working out, it helps to repair the muscles as well. And finally, it includes digestive enzymes. Again, all very important things when you're working out and you're eating clean. So a few of these they call them superpower foods, right? And so these pretty much are all, again, essential ingredients in any kind of healthy lifestyle, healthy living, clean eating. So it includes maca root, goji berries, it includes quinoa, moringa, flax seeds. So, there's so many more benefits here. If you guys are interested, I can certainly post the link in the description box and you guys can read up more about Beachbody's products. So that is my Shakeology. And let's see what's in this box here. And again, guys, it's always important that, when you're starting any new journey, especially when it comes to health-wise, do your research, right? There's so many companies out there that are promoting their products. You really have to make sure that what you're putting into your body is as healthy as what they're claiming, right? Because a lot of products will say that they do one thing when they really don't. So it's just very important that you do your research. So this is just my receipt. You guys don't care about that. So, ooh, I got a shaker cup. And so very important, obviously, if you are planning to drink your daily nutrition, which it is recommended you drink at least one of these a day, because again, it is going to be your healthiest meal for the day. So you want to ensure that you have a shaker cup so that it properly dissolves the powder when you're obviously looking to prepare it, right? So that's important there. So a few things. Beachbody was actually having a sale. So Andrew and I, my husband and I, got a few of their apparel. So this is just a men's t-shirt. I'll just open the package and you guys could take a look. Because you know what? It's one thing to be working out, but you know, you do need apparel. And I'm not saying that you need Beachbody apparel, but however, we are Beachbody coaches. So again, we're going to make sure that, you know, we represent what it is that we're doing, because we've both gotten great results from them. And so this is one of the programs that Andrew actually has done, or will be doing, sorry. It's Core de Force. And so it's one of the best programs that they have. If you guys are into martial arts or jiu-jitsu, then it's a mix of Taekwondo, martial arts. It's definitely gonna, you know, help you to get in shape, keep in shape, and it's a lot of fun. And so I actually had started it last year. Unfortunately, I didn't finish it for health reasons, but I definitely plan to go back to it once I'm finished my current program. So the next shirt here, and these are actually all shirts for Andrew. This one here, again, because he is a Beachbody coach, we've gotten him a nice tank that he can work out in. And the material is really excellent because it's very lightweight. I don't know if you guys can see that. So for like sweating, it's going to absorb the sweat. And the last thing you want to do is be wearing like a cotton shirt that's going to like have the sweat, you know, stick into your body, right? So I really like the fact that this one is, again, it's geared towards, you know, trapping the sweat and just keeping you cool while you work out. So that's that one there. And I believe, so there's a few more here. Just really quickly. Oh, actually, this one is for me. Oh, look at that. I was trying to remember whether or not I ordered myself something. So, I mean, just a plain tee, nothing special. However, it does, I don't know if you guys can see that. It says Shakeology on the side, does it? Maybe if I turn it this way. So that, again, is just a plain t-shirt. Oh, it says it down here. So that's just one of Beachbody's other workout shirts, but that one is specifically for women. And finally, we have one more shirt here. And so this is the program that pretty much transformed Andrew. So he will be doing a testimony soon, basically on the results that he's gotten with this program. So this is Body Beast, and this is, he's pretty much talked about it, I think, briefly in his intro to working out video. If you guys want more information on that, make sure to check out that video. I'll leave the link below. But Body Beast is one of the best programs in terms of lifting weight, building muscles. And I know I've gotten this question very often when it comes to muscles. Women specifically always ask me, well, you know, I see that you're lifting, but you lift a lot of heavy weights. To be honest, heavy weights for women is not a bad thing. It's not going to help us to get bulky. Yes, men, when they do lift weights, they want to get bulky, but that's because their hormones are different from our hormones, right? And so lifting weight, I definitely recommend it for females. It's not a bad thing. If anything, it helps you to burn fat faster. It helps you to lean out, look toned. And so that's why I lift. And honestly, like, I've started lifting now 2 years, 2+ years now. And to be honest, I've seen great results. So again, now that I've had the baby and he's 8 months, I'm getting back into my healthy workout and healthy regimen. So I do want you guys to make sure that you follow my journey. And finally, I have one last item here. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So based on Andrew's results, I was so impressed that I decided for myself to order the 3-day refresh. So again, if you guys have seen the video that my husband did on the 3-day refresh, you know that he had amazing results. It's pretty much in 3 days, it's a detoxifying cleanse. And unlike any other cleanses in the market, This one is not, you know, one of those herbal Chinese teas that's gonna cramp your stomach or it's gonna leave you running to the washroom. And you know what? I'm not knocking those herbal Chinese teas. However, I've tried enough of them to know that literally from the time I consume that tea, I'm like living in the bathroom. I'm, as they say, worshiping the porcelain god. So for that reason, I try to stay away from those because they are very harsh. This, however, is a much milder cleanse. It does have what's known, actually, let's open it and I'll show you what it has in here. And so I'm really excited, guys, because, you know, spring is just around, well, we are in spring. Summer is just around the corner. And, you know, us women, we want to make sure that we look our best, we feel our best. And although I won't be running around in a bikini or anything, I just want to feel comfortable in my own skin, right? And so the 3-Day Refresh is going to help me kickstart my healthier eating, because I do, just like everybody else, I struggle with, you know, I do eat clean, yes, but I do struggle with certain foods, right? And so, you know, there are times where I crave maybe more salty foods. There's times where I crave maybe a little bit more sweeter foods. And so for that reason, I'm really hoping to, with the 3-Day Refresh, just kind of reset my my taste buds, if you will, right? And so this is an excellent way to do it. So the 3-Day Refresh comes with a meal guide, sorry. It comes with the program guide. And so the meal guide is gonna give me all my meals for the 3 days. This is just gonna tell me how to start. And then we have here the Vanilla Fresh, which is pretty much similar to a protein shake, but it's not, you know, not to say you can't work out when you're on the 3-Day Refresh. However, you don't, it's not necessary, right? Because I mean, you're detoxifying, you're not eating as you normally would. So the 3-Day Refresh is pretty much just you eating fruits and veggies, which is, again, it's an excellent way just to kind of, you know, rejuvenate your body, if you will, right? Just kind of clear it of all the junk food and all those fatty foods that you've been eating that's not necessarily good for you. And so they do offer the Vanilla Fresh. Sorry, this is the Fiber Sweet. I'm looking at the Vanilla Fresh. So this is the Fiber Sweet. So pretty much they've laid it out that day one, you're gonna start with a fiber sweep. And I mean, it's all in the name, right? It's looking to kind of get your bowels moving and kind of breaking down the food from the previous days, any kind of solids. It's trying to get that out, right? Because I think a lot of it too, especially for me, I struggle with weight around my tummy. So a lot of it is you get bloating in that area from all the foods that you're eating, right? So the Fiber Sweep is definitely going to help with that. And then they have the Vanilla Fresh, which is, again, it's like a protein shake, if you will. And you're gonna take 2 of those, okay? And again, along with these, you're incorporating all veggies. So you're gonna have veggie stir fries. Let's see if I can find some. So the recipes, again, are all included here. So they give you meal options or meal suggestions. So they'll tell you what you can eat for breakfast, what you can eat for lunch, and then of course what you can eat for dinner is all included here. So I mean, it takes the guesswork out of things, guys. Again, my husband, he did it. He got great results. I've done my research as well. I've seen the excellent results that come with it. And it's ultimately, again, you're resetting your insides, right? Is the best way to put it. And you're just kind of helping yourself to either kickstart your new weight loss journey, or if you have already been eating clean, working out, it's just a maintenance, right? It's just gonna help you to feel a little bit lighter, feel a little bit more energized, and just feel healthier overall. So please stay tuned. I'm anxious and excited to begin my 3-Day Refresh. I'll probably announce sometime next week when I'll be doing that. And yeah, I'm thankful that you guys were able to join me for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.